Hi everybody and welcome to Thursday, December 2nd. For today we are going, since we finished up Hunger Games, we're going to do a little bit of a final project with it. For some of my classes, your schedule is going to change and I'll talk about it just a little bit. Okay, for my period 3-4, your due now was your dialectical journals. Remember, 10 through 18 and 19 through 27 are due Sunday, okay? I gave you guys more time because I want you to get it done. The rest of today is going to be a study hall day, and then we're going to have a bit of a class discussion about the Hunger Games. For my honor students, we are going over a symbolism project, and I'm going to go over that in just a moment. Reminder, today's odds, missing assignments, map testing, permission slips due tomorrow, Friday. Okay, so if we didn't have time to go over yesterday's discussion questions, we will go over them today in class together. And then for my honor students, today we went over symbolism. Today, I had you guys identify the following image. This is a power image. There's Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. There's a rose, a stop sign, a disability sign. From this, I wanted you guys to take away that a picture is really worth 1,000 words, okay? Today we talked about what is symbolism. It's the fact that symbols have meaning. There is universal language to them as we go on. What person, place, or option is being emphasized, what attributes are being given, what could this symbolism really just mean, okay? We use symbolism really as a way to define meaning to things. So when we say statements like Katniss is fire, we're not just saying that Katniss is rebellious, Katniss's attitude is contagious. We're saying so many layers. We're saying all this and more. We're not just saying Katniss hates the Capitol. Katniss is like a fire to the Capitol. And all of a sudden you have multiple meanings. That's what symbolism really tries to capture, ladies and gentlemen, throughout the novel. And the Hunger Games is just full of different types of symbols. So we started looking at what some symbols were in the Hunger Games. For my honor students, I'll show you in Google Classroom what we did. We went over right here to classwork. We went to closing out some of these assignments for you guys. I can't find it, you guys. Okay, we had some symbolism practice. I had you guys start looking at different kinds of symbols. Sorry, you guys just had fun that day. Katniss's bow and arrow, some quotes, forms of symbolism. How does it relate to the novel? So that's all we did for today on Thursday. Tomorrow, you will be giving your final project, and then that'll be it. We'll wrap up the Hunger Games. Alright guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me before or after school. Send me an email and I'll help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.